Let's talk about what it costs to certify your device. When the bill comes, can you pay for it? As with most things, the time it will take will completely depend on the resources you have at your disposal. For example, do you have a full in-house quality and regulatory team and unlimited budget? If that's true, you must be Bezos, and you'll be ready to go before you know it. Obviously, most of us are limited by at least one resource in our company. In general, there are two things that affect your time to market. One is device type, and one is device class. Number 1, device type. Simply put, complex devices take more time to certify than simple devices. Simple, standalone software, that's usually the fastest product to develop and certify. Think of it taking a couple months to a year. Multi-component hardware and software products can take a lot longer to develop and certify. These take a year to a couple of years. This is because complex devices just end up taking more developmental resources, testing, and documentation, and so it just takes longer. Other aspects like artificial intelligence, sterilization, implantables, they just have additional requirements that just add a little bit more time to the process. All right, number 2, device risk classification. The higher the risk class, the more time and money you'll need. Risk classes go from 1 to 3, and they're based on your product's actual risk to its users. Low risk devices are class 1. Think band-aids and stethoscopes. Medium risk devices are class 2A or class 2B. Think AI diagnostic software or electrical stimulation devices. High risk devices are class 3. Think pacemakers or implants. Medium and high risk devices require an audit from regulators, called notified bodies in Europe, in order to get their CE mark. Audits are a big deal. This is what I was talking about when I mentioned conformity assessments. Notified bodies do an inspection of your documentation before they can give you a green light for your CE mark. On average, the audit's going to cost you 40 to 120,000 euros, and it'll take up to 6 to 12 months at time. Class 1 devices, on the other hand, don't require an audit because they're low risk. With no audit required, Class 1 devices can get to market much cheaper and faster.